loves, welcome back to the vlog. I'll be starting pretty much by topping up this salad. I had it last night but I never finished. I'll be going in with this lemon mustard dressing that I made from home, tuna as my protein, and it's so delicious. This is the next day. I'm preparing to go to the gym. To be honest, I struggle with being consistent so much when it comes to going to the gym. I find myself falling out most of the times for reasons I don't really know. But I'm just going with this slogan of just do it, just show up, and it's actually working. Because I've just come to realize that the more I do a lot of planning, like I'm gonna go to the gym tomorrow, I'll do this and that, the next day I'll do this, I normally don't do it. But what has been working lately, I'm viewing working out as something that soothes me after a long stressful day, helps me with my mental health, and it just feels so good after working out.
You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body.
Forever. Workout of the day is done. I feel so good. I was so tired, but then I was like, no. Staying out of shape is hard, and so is working out. And then I was like, you know what? I'm going to the gym, and I feel so good. Heading out for dinner. I'm not really sure which restaurant I'll be eating at, but let's go and find out at the mall. I'm also gonna give you guys a quick outfit check, something simple but I don't mind sharing. I'm wearing this set I bought at a random shop close by where I live. Also, I'm having this light trench coat. I bought it at home, Kenya that is, and my usual sandals from Shein. And not forgetting our perfume of the day. I'm wearing Zara Amber Fusion from Zara. I ended up at this sports bar and restaurant, and they offer popcorns for starter. How interesting. I found myself following this match that was playing just for vibes. I started with my tea. Dinner is here. We're having tuna salad and with sweet potato fries. It's so mouth-watering. I'm preparing chicken stew and rice, but first let's marinate this chicken. There's just something about cooking your own meal at home. I'll just enjoy my meal and maybe watch something while eating and call it a night. Today is Tuesday night. I am going to watch a movie. I'll be watching Argyle. I've seen the trailer and then I was like, it's been so long since I went to the movies anyway. So that's what we'll be doing today. But before we head out, let's do a quick outfit check. I'm one person who loves keeping warm in the theater. I feel like they're so cold. I'm wearing this jacket. It's so warm. It's from H&M's. My top and pants are from Forever 21. And for my sneakers, I think these ones are from Brands for Less. Perfume of the night, I'm wearing Devotion by Dolce & Gabbana. As usual, it smells so good. And yeah, I'll see you at the movies. Yeah, good evening. Can I get salted focus? Medium. The one in the middle. Give me the big one. Yeah. Yeah. Not that.
When you see sand here, imagine water. If you dive in, you can't reach the bottom.
Nothing fancy.
I understand. We gave them something to hope for.
Some real, some unreal. Why live in just one when you can immerse yourself in the rich?
Had the time to really write until the skating accident, which I've obviously spoken to.
Hold the vodka.
Yeah.
The Cointreau.
It's like driving line. You put it on red, no risk, you'll never win.
Finished my movie. I'm going to get some coffee, then head back home. Black coffee already. Main focus of the day is to change my curtains. This has been on my to-do list for the longest time, and it's about time. There's something about curtains for me that completes the whole look of a house. The guys who came will be changing my curtains, but before that they came to take window measurements. They also brought this fabric book which has different curtains and colors so that I can choose from them. Then they'll customize them and put them to my desired look. The curtains I had, they had actually destroyed my wall because they had to drill. It's bigger? Okay. Alright.
Our completing check this all is 100%.
Oh, before you put it?
Yes.
Okay, thank you. This is the sheer I chose and the curtain I chose. I really love them. The installation is done and this is the final look. A whole new vibe curtains for me. New curtains does it for me. Like, it's a trick if you want to change your whole look with your house or with your home. I really do suggest with starting with curtains. It really brings up the whole vibe. Let's unbox and see what I got from Amazon. I ordered these 2 jars for smoothie. Wow, this is just what I wanted. Okay, wow, this is so good. It's not even light, because the other time when I bought these containers for my oats, they were much lighter, but this one is not light and I really like this. So it has this wooden lid and it comes with 2 straws. Wow, this is so nice. And there's even a straw washer. Wow, this is nice. This is so good. They look so good. I just love what I received. And the other thing I got is this oil moisturizing spray for my dreadlocks. I've been using this spray ever since I started my locks journey. I didn't have it and I was supposed to go and get it somewhere else, but it could have been very far, so I was like, let me just order on Amazon since I wanted to purchase this as well. And I'm actually gonna use this now because I am stepping out again.
غسان كان عندي غسان وهو الغسان وانت طالب الغسان طالب البفانا يرجع شاكي كنا لاعب ساوث افريكا لاعب الاولاد البفانا ساوث افريكا في انتظارك يا موكوينا في انسان سيختار موكوينا هذا هو الشاب من جحيم الركلات ولاينا رقم الدين ولاينا الاولاد تعبوني 120 دقيقه انا من كابو فيردي ارهقوني 120 دقيقه
Hi loves, I am back home. I'm coming from watching a football match. Nigeria was playing with South Africa and that match was intense. It was so good. I really enjoyed it. You know, I never imagined I'll be going out to watch football. Life is so funny. Like sometimes you get to know yourself in ways that you never imagined. Because if you'd ask me like an year ago or something like that, I wouldn't have mentioned that I enjoy watching football. But right now, I'm really enjoying, you know, like I had a very good time. And this week I've been going out so much. I think 4 days, yeah, I've been out. I've gone to have dinner, I've gone to just take a walk, and it feels good because sometimes, you know, life gets so overwhelming. You feel stressed, you feel like you don't know what's right, but you don't know what's wrong. You can't really explain, but I think it's just life. And for me lately, going out, like just being outdoors, changing my environment has really been helping me. This week for me has been therapy. Going outside and all of those things I've been doing, trying new things, you know, going out just to eat, just have a meal, you know. Those things really matter, like showing up for yourself. Anyway, I don't want to talk too much. I hope this vlog will make you smile, will make you feel like life is not that bad anyways. It's just life at the end of the day. And I'll see you guys on the next vlog. I really hope you enjoy this vlog. If you end up doing so, please don't forget to like, subscribe if you haven't. Leave your thoughts down below in the comment section. I love engaging with you guys. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Oh, before I leave, I forgot to mention the makeup remover I'm using. This one is Pure Clean Eyes and Lips. It's a two-phase waterproof makeup remover from Kiko. I feel like all the makeup I'm using, my makeup products I use are from Kiko, but the products are so good. I really am for them. They're so good. Anyway, Good night guys from this side, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.